Hi, this is Keith from Snowaxles.com. We have a new Timbersled ARO kit just came in, and we have developed our new snow axle wheel kit for the front end of this unit. I'm going to show you how simple it is to install the brackets that will allow your snow axles wheel kit to be used. We'll start out by removing the spindle bolts that came attached to your Timbersled unit. You're not going to be able to reuse these bolts as they will be too short. Want to take care not to lose the bushing that's on the back side, as you will need to reinstall that. Okay, we'll start out with, we have two separate brackets. One's got a keyway, one without. What we're going to do is we're going to be installing our bolts in the bracket without the keyway first. Use the supply grade 8 bolts for this. Make sure once again that you install this bushing on the back side. Now you can install the side with keyway. Notice the relief has to be on the downside. That's going to give you a relief around the spindle itself. Okay, once the bolts are in, you can go ahead and put your washers on. And we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of thread locker. We've included nylock style nuts. I like to use a little bit of thread locker anyway, just because it is attached to the ski after all. Just run these things back down snug. And then we're going to go ahead and torque them to 33 foot-pounds. And that is all there is to it, to installing your snow axles bracket kit. Check on Snowaxles.com for additional videos on the wheel kit in use and how to do the assembly of the snow axle and wheel portion of the kit. Hey, thanks for checking us out.